What's up guys, it's your boy here, Joshua C again. Yep, once again we're in the MCO 2.0, but don't get frustrated about it and just use these 2 weeks to learn something new and most importantly, watch our TechNave videos. Alright, so enough chit chat. Now let's go into the main highlight of this video. The Samsung Galaxy S21 series is finally here. And similar to the last year, there are 3 Samsung S21 models: the Samsung Galaxy S21, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and also the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. As for the color variants, the 3 models have their own unique colors. The Samsung Galaxy S21 comes with the Phantom Violet and also Phantom Pink. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus comes with the Phantom White and Phantom Grey. And also on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, it comes with a Phantom Silver and Phantom Black. So, since we talk about the color variants, let's head into the design of the phone. Now, what I can say is I'm pretty surprised at the design this time, especially the camera housing, which Samsung name it as the contour cut camera design. At first sight, it looks a little bit weird to me, but when you look at it again, it's actually pretty slick and cool. And not just that, the whole material built for these devices are also different. There's a combination of aluminum and glass as well as metal and glass. Now, in terms of cameras, the Samsung Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus has a triple rear camera setup, while the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has a quad camera setup with an additional laser focus sensor like we had on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra as well. So Samsung did hear from you and solved the focusing issue that it had on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra last year. So the cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21 and also the Galaxy S21 Plus are a 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and also a 64 megapixel 3x telephoto lens. Whereas on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, it has a 108 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel autofocus ultra wide angle lens, 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and also 10x 10 megapixel telephoto lens, which it remains the 100x space zoom. And I know what you're thinking. You must be saying that you barely use the 100x zoom because it's super hard to stabilize it. But that's not the case this time, because Samsung has added a new zoom lock feature to it, which means it will lock down the subject for you before you press on the shutter button to get a perfect 100x space zoom picture. But remember to be good, don't use it for other naughty stuff, okay? Besides, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra also comes with a new dual zoom lens to allow you to capture detailed pictures even during the 100x space zoom, because remember it has 2 zoom lenses which will work together to bring the details out for you. Not to mention, the night mode this time also has a huge improvement to it. It will fine-tune all the overexposed lightings for you and just makes it a flawless night picture. As for the selfies, both are having 10 megapixel selfie cameras on the front for the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus, while a 40 megapixel selfie camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, turning back to the front, the Samsung Galaxy S21 has a 6.2-inch display, the Galaxy S21 Plus has a 6.7-inch display, and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has the largest 6.8-inch display. All 3 are having the same dynamic AMOLED 2x display. The only difference between the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the 2 are the 120Hz WQHD Plus adaptive refresh rate, the peak brightness level of 1500 nits, and a curved display. The Samsung Galaxy S21 series runs on the latest Exynos 2105nm chipset, coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage for the Galaxy S21 and also Galaxy S21 Plus, whereas the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will have up to 16GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. And now for the batteries. I'm pretty sure those of you who plan to get the Samsung Galaxy S21 series are not just for some normal usage, but also to use it for multitasking or to finish up some of your works with it, right? So battery life is pretty crucial to you. The Samsung Galaxy S21 has the smallest 4000 mAh battery, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus has a larger 4800 mAh battery, and the largest 5000 mAh battery on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So by looking from the outside to the inside of the Samsung Galaxy S21 series, I really think that Samsung did place effort in fulfilling all the feedback they got from the users. Oh yeah, almost forgot. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has a surprise for us as well. It supports the S Pen now, but there are no extra slot for the S Pen, so I guess you might need to buy it separately together with the charger. You won't be getting the charger in the box this time, and let's go environmental friendly together, okay? Also, don't forget to check out the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2 that launched along with it, because the new anti-noise cancelling feature will automatically turn off the noise cancellation once you're talking to someone. Isn't it cool? So that's all from me. Let me know what you like and don't like about the phone in the comments below, and we'll discuss it. And for me, the only dislike is the lack of micro SD card slot. So if you like this video, remember to click subscribe, hit the like button, and smash on the bell icon. I'm Joshua. See you next time, and follow my Instagram as well. Okay, thanks, bye.